Hey, so coming to you live from my little home in Quebec where I've started to sew full-time, and here are some of the creative projects that I've gotten into recently. A favorite one that I've done is replace the backs out of jean jackets, and there's something about it that is so satisfying and just makes me feel like an instant cool girl energy. So let's get into it. So what you're going to want to do first is seam rip out the entire back panel of your jean jacket.
That's strange, said Reverend Jack. I didn't expect revelation to come so soon. Let's use that to enhance our message while we're pushing through. While we're pushing through.
It should look about like this once you've removed the entire back panel. Now you're going to take the panel piece that you've removed from the back and you're going to use that as your pattern piece. So lay it up against the fabric that you want to use and simply cut around the edges so that it matches the back panel exactly.
Sharing a bottle of warm soy milk. Satan's eyes on Mary caressing like soft Japanese vintage silk. I came here to end you, Satan said, and laughed in a peculiar way. But thing is, after having seen your game, I really don't know what to say.
Now you're gonna pin your back panel piece together with the newly cut out fabric, and you're gonna get ready to sew them together.
You've been running my show way more efficient than I ever did. I don't know how you do it, but you have some real guts. Heaven forbid.
Now basically you want to insert this new panel back into your jean jacket. So just take your time and place the seams together, making sure to pin first before you sew.
Devilish fire. So 1995. Devilish fire. So here we are, Reverend Jack on the ground, snake bitten and cold. How is it gonna go with apocalypse now when Mary's left to herself and alone? She took off into the city on the back of her pale white horse, on fire. Pressing on for Armageddon to come, Satan just a regular dude by her side.
And that's it. This is the final look. I'm super thrilled with it. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to keep adding to it, maybe add some fun patches that I find on my travels. I think it is the most badass jacket now. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more videos like this to inspire your creativity every day. Thanks.